Good morning, student. Today we're going to discuss your fifth chapter, paragraph formatting in MS Word. Students, in this chapter we discuss how do you format, how do you edit your paragraph in MS Word. You know very well MS Word in class. We do we can type the uh, paragraph in MS Word, and here we formats. We can do the different type of changes in MS Words. Formatting means to change the arranging text in a document to make a attractive. When you write down a paragraph in MS Words, you do you can do the different type of changes. Suppose you increase or decrease the your font size, letter size. Okay, you would give the colors of the text. You highlighted it. You give the bullets. These are all called the changes are called the formattings. The students now I say the formatting means the changing the arranging text in a documents to make a attractive. In the previous class we have already discussed how type of formattings, character formattings, paragraph formattings, character formattings and paragraph formattings. Then students, what is the character formatting? Character formatting is applicable to character. It is change, something change. You can give the something change on your text characters and word and the selected text. You give the change on your uh, characters means letters. Give the colors, increase and decrease the size, character size. These are changed the character formattings. And words, the select text and the paragraph formattings to applicables to the entering paragraph. And paragraph formattings means the give the changes on the paragraph, whole paragraph, give the bullets, alignments change. This is called the paragraph formattings. Applying the paragraph formattings. How do you apply a paragraph on the paragraph formattings? Paragraph formattings can be applicable to two ways. Using the paragraphs groups in the home tab. How do you change the paragraph formattings? So first of all, you go to the home tab, and after the home tab, there you can see the paragraph group are there, and there are the different options. You can choose it and you can apply on your text or paragraph. Using the paragraph groups on the home tab of the ribbons. Using the paragraph group, the paragraph layout tab on the ribbon. Using after that, this method is the viewers the options. You can see that when you choose the paragraph groups, different type of the options are there. Here is the bullet. Here is the indent. It is the alignments. Okay, it is size. Okay, you give the colors. Okay, here it is the border. These are all of changes on the paragraph. You can apply on it the paragraph. Next, the paragraph alignments. Alignments means to adjust the text with the edge of the paragraph. Here you can see this text. Here I apply the margin, and you can rearranging the our text as suitable as you. And this age is the same levels. You can see this, and this text is this age is the paragraph for the age. For the example, in a left alignments on the paragraph, you can see the here I give the margin, and this text is arranging as a alignments, left alignments. It is based on the left alignments. You can see left sides text is equals. All are equals in sides. Okay. This most common alignments. The left edge of the paragraphs aligns with the left margin. These various steps to change the alignments are the lessons below. Clicking the paragraph to the alignments and select it. Click on the required alignments buttons. After that, when you first you go to the home tab, you need to go to the paragraph group, and you can see the alignment. Select alignments. Here it is. Here, here it is. Okay. Next, this takes this type text will aligns the accordingly. The different alignments options are the left alignment. You can get the different type of alignments. These are the four types. The students alignments are the total the four types, and it is the left alignment, right alignment, center alignment, and the justify alignments. Always the select the text before the applying or the formatting style. First of all, you give the site, choose it, and next you can apply on it. You can see left alignment. This is the type of the aligns to the left margin, and right alignments. This is the type of the text that aligns to the right margin, and center alignments is the type to align between the left margin and the right margin. And next, the last one is justified. It is the type of the text to aligns the left as well as the right or right margin, creating uniformly aligns text. So justifying, you can see the justifying alignments. It is the left alignments as well as the right alignments, right margin, left margin, and right margin, creating the even the align the text. You can see the both type of margin you can see, and this alignment is the perfect for our text because it is the equally set the left margin and right margin. You can see the justifying alignments are, you can see the both margin you can see on your text. The students, there are the different type of the shortcuts. Here it is shortcuts key. Here it is. The press the Control plus L is the left alignments. Control plus E for center alignments. Control plus R for the right alignments. And Control plus J for the justifying alignments. I hope everybody learn it. And next, the line spacings. Students, if we do not give the space between the two lines, then this this lines are becomes uh, it is do not seem the perfect. It is you can understand. You cannot understand how to write or what it is do not seem beautiful. So students, we give the space between the two lines, and it is the look like beautifuls, and you get the interest for your readings. The student, we can add the space between the lines within the paragraphs by adjusting the line spacings. This various steps to change the lines and spacings the lessons below. And you can change, you can increase or decrease the this line spacings. Okay, give the space between the two lines. It is called line suspicions, and you can choose as your choice. You can select as your choice. Give the more space or less space. Select the paragraphs to place the cursor in the paragraph whose line patience is to be changed. Click on the lines and the paragraph spacings buttons. In the paragraph group, the home tab. Paragraph group of the home tab. Click on line and paragraph spacings button in the paragraph group of home tab. Click on the required line spacings button from the options. The space between the lines will adjust accordingly. Next, we go to the border and shading. How do you give the border and shading? Border and the shadings makes our documents look attractive, prominent. If we apply any border on our text, it looks like very attractive, and we can add them to a paragraph or a enter page. You can give the on the paragraph, otherwise you give the border on the whole page. These various steps create the border around the paragraph or the lesson below. Select first. How do you apply it? First of all, you select your text. Next, you click the hook tab on the ribbon. Next, you go to the paragraph group. After that, you go to the border one. Here, students, you can see the triangle. Small shape is there. Triangle plus shape. When you click on it, the drop-down list will be appear, and you can get the different type of the options: side border, left border, right border, whole page border. This so many options you can get, and you can choose as your choice and apply on your text. Two, a box contains the borders options that appears in the drop-down menu. Click on the deciduous borders options to make the border in the select text. We can give the different shape to the select text by the clickings on the border around key of the shading button. Here it is the shading button. You can choose it and apply it. You can give the shades. Here it is. And For this, how do you apply it? You go to the home tab. First, you go to the home tab from the ribbon, and after that, you go to the paragraph. After that, you go to the shading button. Here it is. It is the shading buttons, and when you apply it, the select the colors from the settings on the select text. When you click on it, and this box will be appear, and you can see the different type of the colors are there. So you can choose it on and then apply on your text as a shading. Next, we go to the indentation. Indentations. Indentations means the optioning, optioning the paragraph, and on the page. Arranging the helps the determines to the edge of the area where the text will be the written, and it is also the refers to as the documents area. Here, students, we can apply the indentations here. You can see that here is my left margin, and this indentations when apply, it is uh, changed. This place will be changed, and when you arranging on my, when you applying on our text, it looks beautiful and attractive. The arranging the help the determines of the age of the areas where, where the text is the written. It is also the refers. It is also the refer to as a documents area. Indentations is used to determines the distance of the paragraph from the either the left and the right margin. Okay, and within the margin, we used to increase and decrease the indentations of the paragraphs of a group of the paragraph. Here I apply indentations, and the left, here is the left margin. You can see, and when I applying the, it is goes to as the right margin. Okay, so this place will be changes, and this the various steps to the increasing and the decreasing the indentations of the paragraph of the paragraph group are the lessons below. How do you apply it as indentations on your paragraph? First of all, the students, you can select your text from where you apply it, you want to apply it, and next you can see the distance arrangings and increasing and the decreasing. First of all, you can select the text and the areas of the text distance below, and select the areas to the text. And next, the click the indentation, increase and decrease the buttons in the paragraph group from the home tab. First of all, you go to the home tab from the ribbons, and next you go to that paragraph groups and apply on your text. Next, we apply the bullets and the numbers. Why we use the bullets and numbers? We apply the bullets and numbers, also the paragraph formatting options. It is the one kinds of the paragraph formatting options, and we give the bullets on our text for the highlightings, and we see just to give our attractions of the main points. The number are the equally used where the points have to be the particulars orders, such as in a lessons of the steps list of the sticks, the performing the text, the bullets are the appliance used to the points, and that do not the nearly have to be the particulars order, such as the lessons in the vegetable. You can when suppose you make a list on vegetables, and if you points out the number one vegetables, name of the number one vegetable, name of number two is this, number three is this, number four is this. The students, it is the very easy to you for you to turn out the points. So students, I when I we have writes the lots of the points, lot name of the themes. So we apply the number bullets or the simple bullets. Okay. To using the defaults bullets of the numbers and simply clicks on the bullet on the numbering bullets of the paragraph group. A bullets and the number will be the added and the documents, and it will be the contains the within the each press. And next you press the and enter key. Select on the bullets against the document discount. Discontinue. Click on the bullets against to discontinue. We can also applying the bullets. We can applying also bullets or numbers to the text at a later stage, but the highlightings in the clickings, the bullet or the numbering bullet in the paragraph group on the ribbon. Next, students, if you want to add the specifies the bullets and the number styles, you need to click on the arrow and read the next of the respective bullets. These are the many bullets and the numbers options available, and we can the select on the ones. You can apply it as a suppose students, you can see here also in this paragraph, you can see there is the two bullets, we apply the two bullets. Why? You can see that it easily it is take attraction in your attractions these points, and removing the bullets of numberings. You can remove. Now the students already our topics. We apply our bullets, and when you want the now bullets is not necessary. So then what are you doing? You can remove it. It is not necessary for you. You can remove it. So it is the very easy. How do you remove the bullets? You can select your text. Okay, and highlighting the text and the clicks on the bullets and number bullets. Place the cursor and the next bullets and the press the backspace. When you press it, the bullets and apply on your text, next you click the backspace and you can remove your bullets from the text. Next, the sorting. How do you sorting your paragraph? Paragraph formatting is the also increase options to sorting the list. A list is the increasing lines and the text and paragraphs. Numbers the actually the listen of the data. The various steps of the sorting. So the list are the listen below. Next, highlighting the text to the sort to be sorted, highlighting the items to be sorted. Next is the font the from the paragraph group home tab. Select the sort buttons. You can see it is sort A to Z. this type of sorting you can apply. A sort text box appear. Choose from the given options. We can also the sorted by the means of the many options. Once we have to select the options and the clicking on, and the text will be the sorting, and you can apply. You can see your text. Here it is. So then, from the paragraph, how do you apply it? You go to the paragraph group, go from the home tab and select your text and click on the sorting options, and a sort box will be appear. Here it is the sort box. And you can change, you can write down the what you want. You can, we can also the sortings by the more options for the different type of options you can see here. And once you have the select your options, and after that you can click on it here, and after that you can see the changing on your text. The students, I hope you can understand the how do you change the paragraph formattings in the MS Words. You can learn it. Thank you.